Hey, and welcome back to Walking Tours with Robin and Cassidy, or Rabacity as we like to call ourselves.
This week we are in Oakhurst Estates. Super excited to show you this neighborhood. This is one of my favorite neighborhoods in Jacksonville because it is just a beautiful neighborhood. Mature trees, just well-kept yards. There's 2 walking trails. It's a big plus for me personally.
Don't forget the kayak launch.
Yep, that's always fun. So this is the plus side of being an established neighborhood. I mean, look at this. A lot of places, when they develop, they clear cut everything, and it looks sterilized. And this is just beautiful, isn't it?
These are, what are they? Are they for birds or bats? What do you think? Birds or bats?
I have no idea what those are for. Absolutely no idea. It's cool. I just don't know. But check that out.
Whoa!
It is October 1st, guys.
It is October 1st and we already have the ginormous.
We do. And look at the other side. Like, there's some more.
There's more. People don't mess around. It's October 1st. It is Halloween time. Cute. We're not supposed to play favorites, but we do have some favorites in this neighborhood.
There's just some really beautiful houses.
Look at this one. That's at the top of my list.
Yeah, it's hard, especially if you come out here and you look around at night. Some of these houses have really beautiful lighting. It's just incredible.
Oh yeah, the uplighting on some of them. So a sign to me of a good neighborhood is when people don't move. This is not a high turnover neighborhood.
There's only a couple listings at a time here.
Yeah, and I've door knocked here, Cassidy, and let me tell you, I had people tell me they're gonna die in this house. Like, they love it here.
You know what's really fun is you actually have kids going out and playing basketball on the street. Like, people feel safe enough here to allow their kids to go out and play on the street and not be worried.
Yep, that's awesome. That's a really good, important around here.
It really is.
I mean, Cassidy and I both feel comfortable enough that we've both at different times gone running by ourselves in this neighborhood. You know, we go for walks by ourselves. We're not always together, believe it or not, when we go on our walks.
We're mostly always together, but every once in a while, every once in a blue moon,
you'll catch us.
We do have to walk separately.
Yeah.
So a couple quick facts about this neighborhood. This is county. That means no city taxes. There's no HOA. We're only a few minutes from Jacksonville proper. The Camp Lejeune main gate is only about 15 minutes away, which is a big plus.
Another cool thing about this neighborhood is that it was actually established by a man who still lives here. He has this big, beautiful house and estate, really.
Yeah, that house is really awesome. There are some properties for sale over there right now as we're filming this that I personally would love to get, but can't always get what you want, right?
That's right.
So we are coming to the end of the road here. This is Oakhurst Park Landing. This is a beautiful kayak launch and quarter-mile trail.
Like the neighborhood already feels like a park, but there's literally a park in the neighborhood. Don't feed the ticks.
Beautiful, quiet. You can hear the birds. Feel the spider webs in your hair.
Nothing like it.
Guys, I know you're sitting here watching us, talking to the phone while walking, not looking where we're going. That's a really bad idea out here, so don't do as we're doing. It is baby copperhead season out here. They aren't like those western snakes. They do not rattle at you. They will not tell you they're coming. They'll just wait for you to walk right up onto them and go for you.
Yeah, and saying that they're babies does not mean that they are timid. They are more venomous than their adult counterparts. So definitely be aware.
So Robin, do you know how to identify a baby copperhead?
Well, you'll know we see one when I start screaming and running in the opposite direction.
So you look at their tail. They have a little like golden tip on their tail.
Do you know how to identify an adult copperhead?
They're scary as hell. They're brown, and I just avoid them.
Yes, but they have a Hershey kiss pattern on their back. That's how you know a copperhead from other breeds of snake.
Or you can do what we just do and avoid all snakes altogether. I feel like it's probably the safest option out there.
Thanks for going on another neighborhood walk with Robin
and Cassidy. We hope to see you again next week.
Next week, where should we go?
We can go over by the Commons.
Ooh, Jacksonville Commons next week. Make sure you tune in.